Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to change channels on YouTube TV. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open YouTube TV on the browser. You should go to this link up right here, tv.youtube.com. Then what you should do is to log in into your account. Then you should click on your profile icon on the top right corner. And after that, you should head to settings. Once you go to settings, it will show here this page, the membership section. Now you'll have to go to live guide. Just tap on it. Then once you go for it, here it will show exactly how does your channels are arranged. And now if you want to make any one of these channel in the top, you should click on the arrow, the up arrow just right here in order to move it one space up. So let's say that I want to move ABC right here. When you click on this arrow, it will be on the top of NBC right here. And you can also do something different. You see here these two lines beside each channel. You can simply click on it, left click, hold, then drag the channel. So let's say that I'm gonna drag ESPN, so you'll have to just click on it, then put it wherever you want. And now let me show you how you can actually get the new arrangement that you have made. Now here, as you can see in the TV, you should scroll down a little bit till you find here this section, these three horizontal lines. Just click on it, okay, with your remote control. Then here it will show you here these options. You should click on custom, then click on okay again in this button right here, just in order to refresh the page. And here, as you can see, you have the ESPN on the top, as I made actually on the website. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.